Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to request an Uber with a car seat. First, open the Uber app and enter your pick up and drop off locations. After that, you'll see the Choose a Ride section. Scroll through the list of available ride options. If Uber with a car seat is offered in your area, you'll see an option labeled Uber Car Seat. Simply tap it, confirm your ride, and book just like any other Uber trip. And that's it. That's how to request an Uber with a car seat. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.